welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about subscription box and website and how you can create a website that will convert into sales. As a former subscription box owner, I went through so many website changes. I got my website redone. I did it myself. I did lots of exploration in how to create a subscription box website. And now 5 years later, I help other people with their subscription box websites and how to convert better. I just want to kind of talk about a few key things that you need on your website for conversion if you have a subscription box. I work with clients all the time. I work with students that come into my programs and they really have no idea how to build a website for subscription box businesses. There are really 3 key things you need on your homepage if you have a subscription box, and these are non-negotiable. So I don't care what you sell, you have to have these 3 things. We're gonna walk through step by step the 3 things you need for a subscription box website for conversion, so you make sales. The first thing that you need is on your homepage, you want the hero section, which is the top section when you first go to a website. It's the big image that you see. Basically, you want to have a picture of your subscription box there. So again, if you're using Shopify, if you're using Cratejoy, doesn't matter which website you're using, you want to have a really awesome picture of the box in that first hero image. And then you want to have text in there that says what you sell and who it's for. So a monthly box of blah, blah, blah. Each month you receive blah, blah, blah. So be clear, be specific, and tell your audience what you sell and who it's for. I can't tell you how many websites I go to and I have no idea what they're trying to sell. I can't tell you. I can scroll through, I can look at images, I can probably guess what they're selling to me, but you don't want to make your customers guess. If you make your customers think, they will click off. The second thing that you need for a subscription box website is a section that says what's inside the box. So many people, websites that I go to, I have no idea what the box looks like. If you expect me to buy from you and I don't even know what the box is going to look like when it shows up on my door, I'm not going to buy from you. And guess what? Neither will anyone else. So the biggest thing that I see is that people don't include pictures of their actual subscription box. You want to include literally a picture of the box opened up, so the box opened up inside. So I went and grabbed a subscription box from my house just so I can show you what I'm referring to. This is actually my old subscription box, the Dapper Dog box. When I say you want a picture of the box opened up, you want literally to have the box open up like this. You want to have it so all the items inside are showing. So right now they're all stuffed in here and I just put random stuff from my house. You would have all the stuff sticking up, and so it's really visible what the subscription box is and what people can expect to buy from you. This is really important, and this is something that a lot of people don't even include on their box. Their entire website has not one picture of the box with sample items inside. Building your website, you want to have a what's inside section that has a open box with items inside displayed really beautifully, and then some sort of a text that says what comes in your box. Does it include dog treats, dog accessories, hair items? What can people expect from you? And be super clear. Be clear and specific at that part. So again, so many times I go to websites and they don't tell me what's in the box, what's inside, what I can expect. If you can clearly display to people what you're going to sell them, they're not going to buy from you. So make sure you have a really great what's inside section that clearly articulates everything that you put in your boxes. And if you're someone that does like seasonal boxes or themed boxes, there's some sort of items that you're going to put inside. So for example, like FabFitFun, they include lots of lifestyle images. So beauty products, health products, journals, pens, so many things you can expect. So you want to list categories of things that people could expect. Like you might find these types of items in the box. And then list them out. For example, for Dapper Dog Box, we did monthly toys, treats, accessories, and chews. And so that's what I would put in my description of what's inside. So be super clear. And the final section that you have to have on your homepage for a subscription box website is how it works. So again, you have your hero image that says the name of the box or what you're selling. Then you have what's inside, or you can have how it works first, either way. But you want to have a how it works section that explains about your box and the process. You want to say something like, how often will it be delivered? Is it a bi-monthly box? Is it a monthly box? Is it a seasonal box? Do you give customization? So you could put something like 3 little sections that each one says something different about the box. So you want to include things like free shipping or shipping costs, how often they will receive it, if it's customized, if it's personalized. You want to include things like that. What can they expect from you? How do they order? When do they receive it? So you want to include important details like that on your how it works section. These are the types of details that people and consumers are looking for when they're thinking of purchasing a subscription box, and you have to make it easy and clear for people to buy from you. As a recap, we have our hero image, we have our what's inside, and we have how it works. And if you have those three things in your homepage, you will instantly convert better because you're giving your customers the right information that they need. All right guys, this was a blast. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Tell me what you liked, tell me what you learned, and if there's something else you want me to be talking about, I can add that as my next video. So talk to you guys later, bye.